Hello guys, we will discuss about stick diagrams in this video, and we will start from basics. So first, like why stick diagrams? Okay, so basically there is the different levels of abstraction. And the first one is schematic. Okay, schematic. The schematic does not tell like what are the different layers that were present. Okay, but it will effectively describe that what are the components of the, whether they're having NMOS or PMOS or any resistors. It will tell that. But when coming to VLSI, does not specifically convey that what are different layers that were used, whether we are using any interconnections or any buried cut, something like that. And the next level of abstraction is something called stick diagrams. Okay, so these stick diagrams will tell us like what are the different layers. Okay, whether we are using N diffusion or P diffusion, where any contact cut or any N well is present. Okay, so all these things will be specified by the stick diagram with help of the different colors. Okay, and the next level is something called layout. So this is the final level. This is exactly how the fabrication engineer is going to manufacture that particular chip. Okay, but our intuition is to learn. We already familiar with schematics. Okay, we can draw any network, any given network with help of a pull up and pull down network using CMOS. And now our intuition is to learn about the stick diagrams, and later we can go for layouts. Okay, so layout follows some design rules. Okay, there will be many different design rules, like lambda based design rules or 1.2 micrometer design rules or 2 micrometer design rules, like that. So that will be our next part, but we will concentrate on stick diagrams. Okay, so let me write few important points regarding the stick diagrams. Okay, so that will clear you what basically that is used for. So there is a famous line called, a stick diagram is cartoon of layout. Okay, stick diagram is cartoon of layout. Stick diagram is cartoon of layout. So you can understand from this point that it describes most of the functionalities of layout, but it will miss some important points, like what are the width of each layer used, something like that. Okay, stick diagram is cartoon of layout, and it is diagrammatic representation of chip layout that helps to abstract a model for design. Okay, so it is diagrammatic representation of chip layout. Diagrammatic representation of chip layout. So that will help in abstracting the design. Okay, like what are the necessary diffusion layers that should include in our design. So it basically gives the abstract of the design. Okay, abstract of model for design. Okay, before there will be something called fabrication engineers. So before they are going to like fabricate, so they will draw a freehand sketch. So that freehand sketch is known as stick diagrams. We can also say this is called freehand sketch. Okay, and these are some important points about stick diagrams. Now a very important thing is like color code. Like there will be different types of diffusions and different compounds. We will try to figure out like what exactly the color compound that is given to a particular thing. Okay, the first one is P diffusion. Okay, so P diffusion is basically generally stick diagrams is nothing but a straight lines that were drawn. So that P diffusion is nothing but PMOS. Okay, so it is drawn with yellow color. Okay, we can say this is a PMOS. It is yellow color is used for this. And next, N diffusion. N diffusion is nothing but NMOS. So for this, green color is used. And next, polysilicon, which is used for gates. Polysilicon, it will be with red color, okay. And metal, okay, which helps us to connect to supply or ground. This metal will have the blue color, okay. And there is all this is generally we will be using metal 1 here. So if you don't know what is metal 1, metal 2, metal 3, I already made a separate small video on that. You can watch that. I will paste in that description. So metal will be blue, and this is of type 1 basically, and metal 2 will be brown, and metal 3 will be of color magenta, something like that. So these are only 4 important things. First you only remember these 4 things: P diffusion yellow, N diffusion green, polysilicon red, and metal is blue, okay. So we will discuss some basic rules, okay, basic rules of stick diagrams. So after this we will take inverter and make a stick diagram for that, but first we will see some basic rules which need to be followed while making a stick diagram. And the first one is, so when two or, let me write this as rule number 1. When 2 or more sticks of same type cross each other, that represents electrical contact, okay. So for example, if you take a metal contact, okay, a metal contact will be blue, okay. So this is one type, this is metal contact. So whenever sticks of 2 same colors are passing like this, so this represents actually there is a connection in between these 2 points. And if I take a polysilicon example, let me take red color. So if I take a polysilicon, so this is also a polysilicon contact. So there is a contact, okay, physical contact, okay, there is contact between them. So this is for same colors. And if we are taking this, let me write this as a rule number 2. So if we were taking sticks of different colors, okay, rule number 2, if we are taking sticks of different colors, there will be no electrical contact between them, but we can explicitly mention that, okay. If there are different sticks, there is no contact or no electrical contact, we need to explicitly mention them. We need to explicitly mention them. For that we can use a contact cut, which will be, see, other component called contact cut. So contact cut will be something called a black circle like this. So this is known as contact cut. So if I tell with help of a diagram, it will be very clear to you. So let me take 2 different things. One is for example a metal, okay, let me take a metal. This is a metal, and there is a polysilicon which was passing over this, okay, something like this. Polysilicon is going through. So this does not imply there is something called connection in between these 2 things. So it's something like both are placed above that, so there will be no connection, basically no electrical connection or no electrical contact. So if we want to show that or connect both, so what we need to do, we need to specify, we need to specify them with help of a contact cut like this, okay. So there is no electrical contact here, but there is electrical contact here, and this is the rule number 2. So take anything, this will apply. And the rule number 3 is, when poly crosses any diffusion, it represents a transistor. So we have already discussed that green represents the N diffusion, right? Okay, and yellow color represents the P diffusion. This represents the P diffusion. And whenever a polysilicon that is of red color is passing through this, okay, whenever this happens, so this represents a transistor. Okay, this will be called NMOS, and this will be PMOS, because so whatever I am writing now, don't consider anything. So let me take blue and black. Okay, so this is called NMOS. This will be source, this will be drain, and this will act as gate. Fine. And again for PMOS also, this will be source, gate, and drain. And this is rule number 3. And the last rule is about a demarcation line. Okay, let me write here rule number 4. A demarcation line is drawn between pull up and pull down network. Pull up and pull down network. So I think you know what is pull up and pull down network. Let me take something which is related to PMOS here. Okay, PMOS, and down we are having NMOS, and it is having a polysilicon. And to separate these two things, we need to draw with help of I don't have that orange color, but we will use generally orange color, and make a separation between pull up and pull down network. So all PMOS things must be lie one side of this demarcation line, and all the NMOS should lie on the other side of the demarcation line. So these are the four to five important rules. So in the next video I will take help you understand how to draw a stick diagram for the given